serving the in-flight meal. Just about 10 minutes or less since we took off. So this is what we got for lunch. Okay naman. It looks good, it smells good. So this we gotta try. From the foil. Okay, so if you notice, they have to move very quick because they have short time. Nothing much happening. We just finished lunch, so I'm transferring my my stuff here sa laptop. Yeah. So I'm putting everything there para at least ma-free up yung space. Mamaya, tapos subukan ko tumayo. It's a single aisle aircraft, so wala masyadong time siya na makaikot. Yun. Tsaka stricto rin sila when it comes to taking videos. Okay, mamaya. Number 6 on the lineup na mag-land. According to the pilot, we're having trouble landing. If you can see outside the window, that's the weather. We're trying to avoid the parang may storm yet or something. So, and we've been circling the airport for quite some time. So I hope we have a safe landing. Wala, medyo mauga talaga. Kanina pa eh. Good. Okay, it looks like the pilot is going around for another time. We've been circling the area for quite some time. Already delayed siguro 15 minutes na siguro.
各位贵宾，欢迎抵达高雄国际航空站。为了安全起见，在请系安全带的指示灯没有熄灭前，请不要解开安全带，离开座位。 并请在机门开启后才可以开启行动电话或电子用品电源。同时，在打开座位上方的行李柜时，请特别留意，以免行李滑落下来。我们再次为班机的延误向您道歉。感谢您搭乘天河联盟成员中华航空班机，并希望很快能再度为您服务。全体组员记住您身体健康，万事如意。谢谢，再会。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kaohsiung International Airport. For safety reasons, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep your mobile phones and electronic devices powered on until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off and the entry door is open. When opening the overhead compartment, please take care to ensure the contents do not fall out. Once again, we do sincerely apologize for the delay of your flight. Thank you for flying with SkyTeam member China Airlines flight. We look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.
So we just landed finally. Safe naman, wala naman untoward incidents na nangyari. Yan. So we're just waiting for people to disembark. As you can see right there. Yan, mamaba pa lang sila. Doon. So dito muna tayo. Compared to PAL, well, neat yung aircraft dito. Pero when it comes to yung cabin crew, I'd rather prefer PAL. Mas friendly sila. Friendly naman sila dito, pero medyo strict lang. Lalo sa electronics. So, itay-itay lang tayo saglit. So, okay, it's time to disembark the plane. Neat na yung aircraft, but ewan ko lang, hindi sila masyadong ganda. Yun lang. Although, magaganda. So, this is how the seats look like. Yan, ganyan. Picture, nagsa-selfie na rin ako. Yan. Okay. Ganun lang. Ayan. At hahabulin ka pa, tatakbo pa ako sa hospital. Bye-bye! Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oops, bye-bye. Okay. Yun. Tap natin yung plane ulit palabas. Welcome to Kaohsiung. Yan. Sana, it's a single aisle plane, 737. What can you expect? You cannot go around the way na, we can't go around the way yung katulad sa Airbus A330. And yung, ano yan, yan. So that's the plane we took kanina. And if you notice sa window, whoops, picture, ako rin selfie din. Carry lang. Ayan. So picture muna tayo rito. Ayan. So if you notice the weather, ayan, talang maulan talaga. Ayan. Nakuha ko na rin siya ng picture. Same time. So wala ka na tayo. Yung next na cruise siguro na aalis ulit. No, hindi siguro. Last ng bags. Yan. Uy. Picture muna. Picture, yan. Okay. Okay, so they're trying to segregate people. Okay, when I got out of that thing, right there, they asked me if I'm an OFW. So, which means, if you're a Filipino and you're going to Taiwan, they assume na OFW ka. And we have duty free. So when you're going out and you still want to catch up with whatever gifts you want to give to your loved ones, duty free. But if you want to scram, you just take the plane the other side. Yeah, okay. We're gonna go down to the immigration. So we'll just take the escalator going down. Yun. And after that, we shut down the camera. Kasi just remember, whenever you go past through the immigration, always shut off my camera. Ganun lang. So the immigration behind me, immigration counters. Now, okay, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna look for my bag. Should be one of those carousels right there. Yeah. If that's China Airlines, yeah, it should be this one. We'll just wait for the bag to come out, or the luggage, and we're off to take the cab. Which I don't know where. I still have to figure out where to catch the taxi cab. So we were able to get our luggage, and then we exit going to the arrival hall. It's this way. Now we gotta find taxi. It should be outside. Yun. Anyways, sige, I won't be showing na may yung area or sa hospital. Maybe I could show you around sa harap ng taxi later on as we close the video. Kasi I couldn't really show my dad in, showing him sa video in bad shape. Anyways, thank you very much for watching my travel vids. Sa susunod uli na travel video. Thank you very much ulit to those who wished my dad well sa yung prayers niyo. Thank you very much. He's recovering right now. And samahan ko lang in a few days we'll be flying back to Manila. Thank you very much for watching my travel videos. Again, bye. We're here at the hospital and the first thing that my dad told me was to get him something to eat. We're going to Hansen's department store. Yan, shopping tayo agad. At natatakam si AirPods. This is the hospital, by the way. Nakakaingit kasi they have like in one station, yung nurses nila ron per ward. They have about like 12 staff. So samantala sa Pilipinas, tatlo or dalawa is to 70 patients. Anyway, about my taxi. We're in the marketplace here in PING TONG District. Somewhere north ng Kaohsiung. We're looking for some fruits para sa dad ko kasi he requested na bumili ng mga fruits. So, yan. Ito yung background ng palengke nila. Yan lang. Busy. Okay, we're the meantime we're shopping. Yeah, we're shopping for meatballs and for whatever stuff you would put in sa shabu-shabu. Yeah. Meron pa silang Hello Kitty. Ayan. You can see it right there. Ayan si Hello Kitty. Yeah. This is what's happening here sa marketplace ng sa PING TONG.
Hi, I'm Fernandez. Hi, ako si Elman. Hi, I'm Sean David Santos. Greetings to Polgo. Greetings to Ocean Blue.
Greetings to Claire Polgo.
Greetings to Chokoy. Get well soon to your dad. Kaya po.